You can see this video, toiletries production business. I've done the video already. I've uploaded it on the YouTube channel, Learning Tech Hub. Now look at the visibility. It's scheduled. I've scheduled it for December 28th by December 28th. Now look at the restriction. It has copyright restriction. Why? Because you use a music that is copyrighted. Even though eventually when I clicked on it, when I went to the copyright and I click on it, it's not affecting the channel, but it may eventually affect the channel. You can see the content has IP claim. Only you and people, okay, it's private and other things like that. The content ID claim on your video doesn't affect your channel. This is not a copyright strike, but if it's a copyright strike, that is how you get it. So please avoid using any music. Don't use music, whether intro or outro. Please.